In this video we're going to use setDags to put tags onto scanned PDF files. The PDF files which we're looking at are in this folder here. So to start off we drag them into setTags and now they appear in the box on the right. Now we know that all of these tags relate to tax matters, so we'll create a tag called tax, add it, and then when we close it we can see that it's added there. Now we've got three files that we're looking at, so if we want to add tax to all of those we select it, right click and then select option 4, add selected tags to all of the input files, and now that's done. Now we want to look at the tags individually and assign tags on the basis of content. So if we look at the first file, we can see that that's a questionnaire, and it's also relating to tax year 2014-15. So we'll add a couple of tags to that effect. So we'll say this is 2014-15, and we'll also add a tag for questionnaire. Close it, and now those tags have been added. Now if we want to add these tags to the first file, we select them both, and now instead of applying them to all of the input files we just apply it to the first one. So we drag it over and say yes, append, and there they are. Now we move on to the second one, which is actually a tax return. So we'll add a new tag for this. We'll say return, close the window, select it, and now just drag this across. And for the last one, this is an information form, so again we'll add a, so we'll type this in, click add, close it, and now when we hover over info you can see that the detail of what it's about appears. So we'll apply this to the last file there, and as well as adding the tag by dragging from this box, we can also add it by holding down Control and dragging directly. Achieves the same thing, and there it is. So now we've got all of these files tagged, and we can now look at the problems which arise if you decide to change any of the tags. So suppose that we want to change the tag questionnaire to something else. I'll open the edit form. So we'll put in the name of the accountancy firm, which is Advantage. And now we want to rename an existing questionnaire tag. So when we click rename, it asks if we want to rename both the files and the list of tags shown on the main form. We'll say both. And now we do actually have to reload the input data in order to see the effect. So if we go back to the input files here, you can see that the name has been added. When we reload them, you can see that the new tag has appeared. Now if we decide that we actually want to delete a tag, that's just as easy. If for some reason we don't want to put tax on it, we select it, and then if we want to remove it from all of the input files we select option 5, and we can either delete from the input data or all the files which have been tagged, irrespective of whether we've actually got them loaded. So if we click that, now we see that disappears. If we want to view files by tag, we start Set Tags, and then the tag list comes up as shown here. To show files with a particular tag, we click it, right click in the box, show all files with selected tag, and then the tag appears. If we want to use a combination of tags, for example to show the file with tax and questionnaire, we select the two, select the conjunction we want, repeat, and there's the one file whose tags match all of the tags which have been selected. If we want to use the OR conjunction, so for example to show files with the tag questionnaire or return, we click now, and there they are.